Interesting title. Blah, 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 blah. Sorry about that. Yes, interesting title, I'm sure. Alright. Oh, I had that open. I don't see my other chat. Okay. I guess it's still not there. Oh, because I closed it. Guys, we're big brain today. I don't know how I plan to code if I can't even think. But nah, I am working in Unity. There it is, there it is. I need to close that one. And now open my project. It be booting up, guys. Give it a sec. So working over here in Unity Engine 6. Oh, sorry, 6,000.0.26 F1. Oh, flashbang. Sorry, guys. Alright, so these errors, I have no idea. Because it only happens on opening the project. So I feel like it's not game-based, it's simply... Ooh, I am getting one of these though. Ooh, I'm missing some stuff. Well, let's just delete it. And make a new one. Actually, I don't think I need that anywhere. I'm pretty sure I got rid of all that code. Okay, that fixed that error. We're all good now. What? Well then, ask it. it if you don't know what I'm doing, then ask. Okay, well then, if you're not watching, then watch and ask questions. I am here to answer. Anyways, today I was needing to set up a stat for or like a UI for the stats. I don't think I have anything for it just yet. So I'm starting from scratch. I want to make an empty game object to hold everything in. Oh, I got hair everywhere. Alright, we're gonna name it stat UI, I guess, if I could spell. Inside said stat UI, I need to make a canvas, which is gonna be under the UI tab. And honestly, if I make any of these, it'll make a canvas, so I could probably just start with like a background image. Name it background. Let's look at this. From here, I need to actually be able to see it. So when you double click on the item in the hierarchy, it will, wow, okay. It's not showing me the actual canvas though. Maybe I need to have it outside of the, It seems that my visual settings are not ideal. Where is the canvas? Typically the canvas is not that small. Alright, maybe I did something wrong here. Let me just make a canvas on its own. The camera is disabled. It's weird. I'm not seeing the outline for the camera. Of course, I haven't messed with Unity. Have I given up on Undertale or just inconvenient timing? So, I wouldn't say given up, but like I said, whenever I spent an entire 4 hours trying to beat Undyne, uh, that was frustrating, and I need a break. I beat it once, so I feel like I got a good grasp of the game, but it is something that I do plan to go back to later. I need a break. Undyne upset me a lot. I rage quit, passed it off to Christine, and she couldn't even do it. So, but yeah, I need a break from it. That's all I'm saying. I was noticing that there was kind of a lack of extra island in the update. Select wire. Where though do I find my UI stuff? Okay, I got my grid. Audio needs to be on. Toggled scene is 2D view, toggled off. Okay. Debug draw mode. Click that on. Click all that on. Ah, there it is. It's just everything was turned off. That's why. Okay. Put that back in there. Create a background image. And do... I want to make it bigger. I kind of want to make it just... Yeah, center it. If I come over here and... Boom. This kind of sets it so that the boundaries of the image are going to be the four corners of the actual box, and it's supposed to stretch. It's been a hot minute. Set pivot. Oh. Ah, there we go. I was pressing shift and not alt. I was setting the pivot to be the entire thing and not the thing I actually needed. So, let me think. Background. I need to name this background. Before I forget. Also, I think I need some tunes. And who better to vibe to than Nefix? Let's hop on their YouTube page. And let's just play all. Their music is copyright free, but yeah, if you guys enjoy this, go check them out. Alright, so I got my background image here. I do think I want to change it to be a little bit different. There should be a place to adjust. Wow. There should be a spot to adjust the actual, like, roundness of this thing. Unless I'm just thinking, actually that might be a different program. Yeah, I think that's a different program. I might just need to get a sprite. Actually, it could also be because it's Filled? Ah! Aha! There we go. Also, I don't really want it that big now that I see this, but I do want it to keep the same size, so gotta grab this center portion and... Oh my goodness, it is just 0 to 100 right there. Maybe it just... Oh, it's because I set the pivot. Yeah, we're just gonna do half. Just gonna do half. There we go. And then I have no idea what she's saying. Christine's over here just talking to herself. Alright, next I need them texts. I'll just do equal signs so that I can kind of get a gist of... should probably just do numbers to see the size. And color to black. This one we're gonna do name, and then Control D to duplicate it a couple times, and so that I can keep it in line, I'm just gonna drag it down a little bit, get rid of one, and just keep going down. Okay, so I know I need the name, attack stat. Oh, gotta get rid of the numbers too. So hello. The game is gonna be about a doctor who gets isekai'd and to a fantasy world and takes on the persona of a plague doctor, and then he gets so bored being overly powerful that he raises the next heroes and becomes the anti-villain. That's the premise we're trying to go for. We're working on an RPG, kind of action RPG game. My frame of reference is not the same as the other guys' frame of reference who were working on this with me, but it is what it is. This game has jumped from like RPG to platformer to roguelike to hack and slash back to RPG. We just recently sat down and was like, okay, we need to solidify the documentation because we have no idea which way we're going with this. But we figured out the documentation actually. So I can actually show that real fast. Maybe can show that. Do. Where is it? I don't remember if I made the document or if I did make the document. Okay, it's right here. So I have a just all over the place. Yes. So that was because I have a bad habit of feature creep. Okay, so when I'm sitting here, yes, this is Unity. So when I'm sitting here, kind of like I am the king of feature creep. The reason my two guys are here with me is to help me not feature creep so much. No, they help me with a lot of things, but that's the biggest thing that they help me with, I think, is like me not sitting here and throwing in 5 million things and not even finishing the first one. But it's just like it's like I try to connect everything as I'm doing, or I try to set things up thinking too far forward, and I need to just get back to like the basics of building up from the ground up. rather than just trying to build a framework, then add the walls. I'm trying to build the first floor and then the second floor, but get ready for the second floor before I'm even done with the first floor, and I just need to slow down a little bit. Flowey, a all power helping you at the start of the game. See, we were thinking of doing like crows, but yeah, no, this is we want something with the exploration of like Twilight Princess, where it's gonna be a big world that doesn't have a whole bunch in it other than enemies and things like that. But then there's going to be levels. Wait. The levels are supposed to be the exploration part. The main city that you're going to be in is going to be just kind of like a central hub that has portals that take you to the different levels, similar to like Mario 64, where you have to jump through the paintings. We're kind of doing like a mashup of like Twilight Princess and Mario 64. I know it's gonna be weird, but yeah, that's what we're doing right now. What am I listening to? Paramount Plus ads, guys. Paramount Plus ads.
Chores look different with Cox Mom.
All right, but back to this. I'm currently coding into it, my game, the stats. I have them all set up in the actual character right over here. I just need it so that whenever the player presses a button, any button that I deem necessary, it's got to pull up this panel, and it needs to be able to toggle the panel too. So the panel should not be there whenever it first pops up. Oh, I missed health and magic. Health, and get rid of the 4 and type in magic instead of name. I'm a little bit OCD in the sense that I need this to look exactly like how this is gonna look. So health points, magic. Oh, what did I spell here? What? Hold up. Like I said, this needs to be uniform. If I haven't learned anything in the years that I've been doing this, uniform. Player controller, no. Yeah, because I need this also to be up 1. Do damage. Yeah, okay. All good there. Now, what is going on with these warnings? Asset shape. Oh, some shader graphs are not liking Unity 6, it seems. Spiky, that's a very interesting concept. You want your game to have the world of Ocarina of Time, the plot of Undertale, and probably some transported to a different dimension. That is going to be an interesting story, to say the least. Alright, background. Name. I should probably throw level in here too. Alright, I think that's good. Now comes the actual coding portion. I need to come down here to my scripts and do probably just like a... So that was something interesting that they introduced into Unity 6, was the ability to do either a mono behavior, like when making a script, You could do mono behavior, scriptable object, empty C ships. English is hard, guys. Empty C# script, which I have never messed with, or playables, behavior script or asset. Like I typically just mess with mono behavior and scriptable objects. Like the cool thing about scriptable objects is like you throw all of the information that you need into a little node, and it feels more node based than anything. Mono's behavior is like the actual thing that does the power. It activates things. So we're gonna be doing mono behavior. We're gonna do, I like to do all my scripts with an S underscore to start. Stat UI controller. Alright, and then I need to throw that onto okay, I get it, Unity. Unity really is not liking those the shader graphs. Alright, throw it on the background here. I want this up here. Thank you. Open it up. Now, for this, to start, on start, I need to so get the game object that this, no, that's calling all the function of a game object. No, I want just the game object set active to be false. So that's supposed to automatically, because like whenever I start this, it's supposed to turn this entire thing off. Yeah. Okay. So, and just to show you guys that like if I didn't have that there, it wouldn't disappear. So, and also if I activate this, it's on the script's activation that the start method is called. So that's nice. Now, I'm gonna definitely need some. Oh, sorry, I gotta keep an eye on chat too because I don't have it on screen. Just uncharted territory. Yeah. Oh, and it's 2D pixel art, of course. Hey, all I'm saying is if you're gonna be doing a 2D game, I think Godot might be a positive thing to start with, or a good thing to start with, because it is definitely
Without the ones like you working,
it's definitely 2D friendly. Okay, but back over here, I need to do input dot. That is not what I needed to do. I need to do an if statement for an input. Ah, there it is. It'll just autofill for me. Gotta love it. Sometimes I really don't like that though. Alright, so when I press the escape button, I want the game object to reappear. So I'll just copy and paste that, but say true. But here's the problem with doing this, okay? If I do it like this, it's not going to turn off unless I have something like an X button. So the better way of doing this is to do, when I press the escape button, I want to get the active in hierarchy. Oh. Is active and enabled? I need the one that says, okay, this is calling the game object right here, but I need to get the active in C. Is active and enabled. Oh, that's why, because I need to call the game object again. My bad. Game object dot is, or sorry, I guess active in hierarchy. There it is. Alright, figured it out. Sorry for lack of chat, dealing with vulnerability files. That sounds bad. You should probably, yeah, work on that. But, okay. Also, this isn't gonna work because this isn't a toggle. We need the exclamation point in front. Now, when I do this, this should toggle it. If it wants to finish loading the scripts. There it is. And it's not toggling. Why is it not toggling? Why is it not toggling? Game object. Set active to whatever the hierarchy is not. Do I need to put the exclamation point? No, no. I had it in the right place. I'm just not understanding why it didn't turn off. You know what? We're gonna comment that out. We're just gonna do a debug. See when it is going to be log. Just gonna do toggle. Now let's see. Oh, I have an ad. Oh, you know what I did? It might help if I turned this back on, guys. There we go. There are 2 audio listeners. See, now I'm confused. It's just not key code escape. Just get the key, not just getting it when it's down. I should also get rid of the, I guess, the extra camera, because that could also, funny enough, cause a disturbance. I got an event system. Okay. Clear that out. Let's see. So it is working. I just, oh, I'm alright, so here's the problem. The problem is that when this turns off, the script is not considered to be on either. So it can't activate a toggle if there's nothing active. With that, that means that I need to actually change it to do change the stat controller to put it on the stat UI spot, and get or create a public capital G game object to do the actual stat panel. And then that's how we're gonna do this. So from here, rather than saying game object, we want to put in the stat panel set active to false, and then down here I can do this same thing, stat panel set active, and I'm just gonna copy that. Alright, so now it should do that. Now it should work. Hello, Jimmy Scott. How are you? I'm doing alright. I'll show the silhouette of my villain at the start. Okay, okay. Alright, let me drag the background into the stats panel spot, and alright, so it's not there, and it toggles. Okay. Mild mishap. I do need to not put it in just update, because update is happens too often. So what we're gonna do is not mess with update, but rather change to fixed update to start. Move this down, and we're gonna do, I do think get key down is gonna be the correct form to do that. Get rid of the debug. Let's see. Oops, messed up. So you can adjust things in play mode, but that doesn't mean it's going to like it. Alright, let's try that again. And okay, no, incorrect. Let's put this back up here and see if that is how I want it to work. Yeah, and if I hold it, it doesn't. Okay, there we go. So, fixed update was not needed. I was wrong about that. It just needed the get key down rather than get key, because get key is going to be calling it as long as the key is down. Not the pause menu per se, just a stats UI, so that you could see your stats. I don't know that we're gonna have, like, we're gonna have it definitely separated, but I don't know how we're gonna do the pause menu just yet. So, okay, hold up, distracted. We got the toggle to work. Step 2 is going to be to connect everything. So, now I actually need to create more of these and do public text mesh. Well, I could set the image, but if I did that, there's no real point in me setting the actual image, so I might as well just do the text right now. We don't have any plans to randomize the background for the stats panel, so I guess we'll just gonna do this for now. And I need attack, defense, HP, and mana. Well, that's what I need. Move that up, there, and then level. No, you're good, Spiky. You're not dumb. There's a lot of things going on. Actually, I need water. Alrighty. So, now I gotta go connect them all. You don't have to do it like right away, but I have ADHD, and if I don't connect it now, I'm going to forget later. You're gonna see me like, guys, why is it not connecting? Alright, now save that. Okay. I need to rename that. Other way around. So we're gonna start a new function. What should I call this function? Oh. This function is gonna be called, I guess, stat UI update. And if the panel is active, then we want to have. Can we not mess around with these brackets, please? Thank you. Now, only there was someone to drown you. Nah, we don't need to drown me, okay? It is not needed. Stats panel. Okay, so yes, if the stats panel is active in the hierarchy, I need to do. So I need to set everything. To do that, I'm pretty sure I have created this into a instance. Yeah, so I just need to find the game. What was it called? Is it S? Game controller dot instance dot player dot get component.
Put all your devices to work at once with Cox multi-gig speeds.
which, you know,
Because when your internet works
this
hard,
is using a lot of processing power. So I need to, inevitably, I need to create a call where it's just going to consistently have the player. But for now, I don't really need to. But we need S character controller. And boom. That there is going to be the thing that we need to do. So I guess character name is going to equal dot name. Wait. If I'm gonna do this, I just please dock. Please dock anywhere. Thank you. Alright. No, that wasn't what I needed to dock. That's what I needed to dock. Thank you. Oh, I named it the same. That's why I... Okay. Wait, is that not... That's right. Set text to be... There we go. That's what I needed to do. So I needed to... Because it's a... The object that I'm calling in the stat controller is part of the UI, which has components in it. The character name here is actually the string value, so I need to take the string value component from character name UI and input the string component from the character name controller, or the character controller. Voila, we good. Might have ADHD to how many impulsive decisions I make as high intelligent person. I recently watched a video about 6 struggles only faced. Well, see, that's the interesting thing, is that you just gotta know yourself. And one of them was fully... Yeah, impulsivity is definitely a trait of ADHD. Didn't you leave a bit ago? Did I leave? Nah. I don't think so. Or are you talking to Jaime? But yeah. Now I need to just do the same thing through all of it. So, rather than character name, I need level. I need health. I need mana. I need attack. And I need the defense. And then over here, rather than doing that, we're gonna do, honestly, just the regular defense. I'm just gonna do regular, like, physical defense. For the ones that are just numbers, I need to do that with a plus sign, because you can't put an int into a string or into like the UI. It needs some form of string input, and then it'll be allowing everything else. So I just gotta actually copy that through all of them. And then we got level. We're gonna be doing health points, magic points, and physical attack. Oh, I seem to have missed one. There we go. Nope. Well, they're gone again. That's fine. It is okay. Now we see if this works. Hey, character name is not the same. I need to go redrag that in there, I guess. Today? Do we want to load today? Unity, don't crash on me. Did I save it? I did save it. Oh, it was just taking forever. Incorrectness is happening here. Oh, actually, no. Now that I think about it, I need to throw that there. Now it should work. Yeah. Maybe not. Oh, okay. So that's actually not an issue with what I just did, but rather there's nothing calling the actual player. So I need to do a start function where player is going to equal game object dot find with tag and then we're gonna do player. Voila. That should fix the issue of it not, or the error that just came up. Let's see. Now, the moment of truth. Let's just make sure that these numbers are correct. They are. Well, wait, what? Maybe? Let's do one. Character name is gonna be Bob. And I'm just gonna go down the line and do numbers so that I can see which ones are missing. Alright, so I got 16724. What? So 1, 6, 7, 2, 4. Okay, so do I have the UI backwards? Health, magic, attack, defense. I have that set up properly. Oh, I didn't connect it properly here. That's the problem. No, I did. I did connect it properly here. So we got level, health points, health, magic. Oh, wait a sec. Where is character controller? See, it should be 1, 2. Oh, you know what? Magic. I think what I need to do is be a little bit more specific here. So, level.
All with Wi-Fi equipment included and no annual contract. So go all
HP.
in and save. Learn more at cox.com/value.
Yes! Gift your gamer with great tech at unexpectedly great prices on Lenovo.com. Go beyond performance.
I'll just do MP.
Without compromise with Intel Core i9 processors.
Alright, let's see if that changes things up a bit. It is just not wanting to be in order, I guess. As long as the numbers are going to be fine, then we're good. So, let's check the player. So we got attack is 6, defense is 7, health is 2, and MP is 4. I mean, it's correct. It just doesn't seem to be in the correct order, which, I mean, I can deal. I can deal with that. Thank you. All right. So name, level, health. Well, I'll just do HP. MP. Attack. And defense. Alrighty. I think that's pretty good. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else I need to do right now. I reordered it. Toggle works. I guess. Does it change real time? No, it doesn't. Okay, so it does. Sorry, I'm eating some bacon. Christine brought me a plate of bacon. Yeah, I do know how to Unity Bulborb. I know it's crazy. Yeah, no, I saw, I started hopping onto, some other people's streams yesterday to see if they needed help with stuff, and I landed in somebody's stream that was doing Godot. And, it was... Oh. So yeah, I had to, I was learning a little bit of Godot programming, trying to help him do like a Flappy Bird game. It was really funny because you know how there's the stream delay, right? Well, he's trying to show me the script and I'm over here lost because it looks like C#, but it's not C#, but at all. So, bacon. Okay, so I got my UI working. I don't really have any actual image for the background, so do you guys want to see me keep coding things and work on the next thing, or should I move on and keep working on the UI stuff and maybe hop over to Krita to create the UI pattern that I want for this? I can't make a Pikmin game. What do you mean? That's copyright infringement, sir. Alright. Well, UI is done, so I guess player controller, object stats, do damage, close that. I guess I should probably... I can. See, I'm sure that I could if I put my mind to it, but I'm already swamped with this game and trying to figure out this game and what I want to do for this. I said this game like 4 times, sorry. I need to re-pull up my documentation. Alright, let's look at this. I got the UI done.
At Cox Mobile, we know you need reliable cell service that goes wherever you do. Because why take all those great road trip pics
I
if you
do
can
need
share
a
it away?
level up mechanic.
That's
So,
why Cox Mobile runs on the network with more nationwide
I need
coverage than
to
T-Mobile.
open up
All
my
for the price you
controller
love.
scripts
Big reliability means
and
big
do
savings, no matter where life takes you next.
add in, I guess, an
Connect
int
coast to coast with Cox
that
Mobile.
climbs for
Smart way to mobile.
public int experience. I guess actually I should do current experience. And then I will also need one for experience cap. Because that's gonna be a thing. There we go. Will this game release on the Nintendo Switch? Bro, we need to get something done before we can before we even consider what platforms. Right now it's just PC. We don't really have the money for a dev kit for the Switch. Bacon. Okay, sorry about that. I had my mouth full. Next, I guess, is going to be the actual like level up function. So, if we have the current experience is greater than or equal to the experience cap, then why did it do that? I hate that it keeps doing that. Then we're gonna set, or I guess level is going to add one. Then we're also gonna set the current experience to be 0. Actually, ooh. Okay, so do I want to have it so that the experience sets back to 0, or you just have to reach the next? I think I'm gonna have it set so that you have to reach the next experience cap. So rather than doing that, we'll do experience cap times 2? Well, actually, I think here's where the math for this comes into play. So I could do experience cap times the current experience, which would kind of be the experience cap, but that means that if you went over, then you have to get more experience in order to level up than somebody who barely went there. So I think what I'll do is just, for now, if I need to change it later, I can, but I think I will just do 2. EXP cap equals this. There we go. So, I guess other than that, that's the level up section done. I need to double check something, or I need to have something in here for the experience cap cannot be more than 0. If XP cap is less than or equal to 0. Actually, that's basically the same thing as what I was saying here, except the other way around. So I actually don't think I need that. Yeah, I think that's fine. In all honesty, that's probably gonna be perfectly fine. You have 0 experience with girls. See, I have 1 experience with girls.
1? Do I count as an experience?
My experience with girls is negative. See, I don't know about that one for me. If I say anything too much, you guys ever hear that saying, "Happy wife, happy life"? I can't say much. There's people sitting next to me that I just can't speak of this topic in front of. Mm-hmm. Yeah. No. Oh no. Um. So just for future, or just to clarify, Bulborb, I'm getting married in September, or this next September. So I'm glad I count as an experience. You count a little bit more than an experience, okay? Just saying. Spiky, so it's like you're like wearing bug spray but for girls. It's called Axe body spray. All right. So I got the function in here to like actually level up. There's nothing that's going to call it just yet though. So I guess honestly fixed update. For now I'll just call level up in fixed update. You know what too? Public void death. Okay. Um. Defeated. We're gonna say defeated, and this is gonna do a game object. I think I need a character controller. Victor. So Victor dot current XP will equal the current. Oh wait, no. I want Victor's XP plus the current player's XP. And actually, we're gonna do the current experience that the creature has times. Oh, no, that's actually too much, because now that I think about it, I do have this multiplied by 2. I think just adding it like this is gonna be fine. Used it once in my life, and that was this week when I wanted to try it. Wait, what did I miss? I don't wear deodorant often. Well, see, it's really hot where I'm at, and I sweat, so I have to wear deodorant. I used it once in my life, and that was this week. You guys are crazy. Alright. Defeated. So, now, if player gets defeated, then the creature that defeated them gets all their experience. I do need to set it up, though. Still need to improve. So on top of the level increasing, I don't want, I don't want the, well, I guess technically, the way I have this set up, I'm not resetting the current experience. So if it hits cap again, then you'll just level up again, and again, and again, and again, until the cap is, okay. So yeah, this is what I'll do. Searching for shovelware game on eShop for €3. €3, good luck. Yes, good luck. Alright, but we have level up, we have defeated. That's gonna be how we get things. I think the level up is done now. Make sure there's no issues. To test this out, I guess I should come over here to my interactable property, edit script. Public int, I'm gonna add in XP boost. Log needs simple inventory. We're actually not just gonna do that. We're gonna do other dot get component. We want to get the character controller so that we can get the experience. I'm going to add, we gotta do a dot current experience equals this plus the other thing, plus the experience boost. This is how I'm gonna check to see if this is actually working. XP boost, and rename this because double lowercase is not my friend. Alright, now let's look to see if this works. And I'm back over here. Keep saying, dude, it's weird. Like all of a sudden, they just were everywhere. Should I buy Among Us? I don't know. I mean, it had its moment. If you have people to play with, it's fun, but it feels like if you're just wanting something to keep yourself entertained, then I think you could find something better. Alright, let's check out the doctor. Oh, I am not having things set properly. Let's do 1. There we go. So just to start. No. Wrong spot. Equals 1. Save. There we go. Now this should be better. So now when I go up to these things, they should... Oh wait, I didn't actually add the experience boost to them. Guys, I am failing. I'm just gonna do 1. Oh, my music stopped. Yes, I'm still watching. Oh, it's already been an hour. That's crazy. Right. Alright, alright. Works so far. I'm not leveling up. I'm not getting any experience either. I mean, this is going off, so I know it's working. Okay, let me come over here. Try this again. Maybe the items just aren't having... Yeah, the items don't have that. Ah, I didn't save it. Okay. That was a user error here. Hair is super hard, so they just grow themselves a helmet on their hair. That... I feel like I've seen that somewhere. Okay, so I am getting a notification that that's working. Like, it is doing it, but it's not actually setting the current experience. Oh. Okay. We're just gonna do 1 on all of them. Alright, let's see. Yeah. There we go, guys. There we go. All I need to do is get key down, so it's only calling it once. Now just come over here and try it again. There we go. Level 3, level 4, level 5. Awesome. Alright, I got the leveling system going. Alright. Actually, let me bring up Discord so I can keep track of all the stuff that I've done so far. Oh.
Let's go. I got big dreams. I'ma do big things.
Why is it not letting me type? Oh. Okay, so worked on. I did the stat UI. I did the. What else did I do? Shoot. See, this is why we write things down, guys. I connected the UI stuff. I guess the level up, right? Yeah. Alrighty. What's next? That's funny. Honestly, I think that's all I needed to do today. I needed to throw together the UI menu. So you're buying. Oh no. Alright. So does anybody have any like coding questions that maybe I could try to answer? What do you guys he no leaving? I know. No he leaving. Why do you think I'm leaving? I'm not leaving yet. I still here. What? No questions? None at all? That's fine. Can I make Pikmin in Unity? Yes. Yes, I could. If I had the funding. I don't have the funding. Because the biggest thing would be, like, if I'm to break this down, you would need movement. You would need a button or a function to find everything with a tag and set it to follow on you. Can you make a Pikmin in Unity? Try buy it. Buy Pikmin? Buy Pikmin. You think I should buy Pikmin? Hold up. You said I should buy Pikmin? What? I should buy Pikmin? No, I pulled up Pikmin. Yeah, it's the first one. Buy? You want me to buy but see, that's a lot of extra work. That is so much extra work, and I don't know that I have the money for all of that, you know? Things just don't work out that way. Anyways, moving on. Runs faster than mine. Oh, you gotta go? Bye, Spiky. That's fine. I think It's gonna be I'm just gonna reopen the project. We're just gonna see what I can do. Bye. I need to work for just a little bit longer. I gave myself a time frame of an hour and a half on the project, and so I need to put another half hour into it. A stream end? Nah, not yet, not yet. Okay, let's zoom in on the doctor. Um, I think I need to look at my documentation to see what's next. UI. I might as well, I guess, just keep working UI stuff then. Empty game object and do a, I guess a pause menu. See, I'm not gonna, it's not gonna, no, I'm not making Pikmin. Ryan would be upset if I turned this into Pikmin. Anyways, I'm gonna go make a pause menu. And do rename this to UI. Canvas, do rather than that, to just type that or make that the stat background. And rather than doing that, I just come in here and make another, duplicate that, and do pause menu. He won't, he's a child. Hey, you say that, but bro got upset because I wanted to put, I wanted to do a RPG roguelike platformer. He was like, there's too much going on. And so I can't throw Pikmin as well as roguelike platformer, RPG hack and slash. They're already getting upset with me because of my feature creep. You gotta convince them that it's a good idea, because I'm just working here. We just work here, guys. Joke's on you, I don't actually work here. Christine's over here talking in the background and I have no idea what she said. Alright, so rather than having a bunch of those there, I'm gonna need buttons. Everybody loves buttons. Alright, this one's gonna be the main, or I guess the quit button. And then I want a save button. Then we need a settings. There we go. I think honestly, quit should be at the bottom. Oh, that was wrong. Quit should be at the bottom, then say yeah, like that. And now come back over here to my scripty scripts backend and create the mono behavior script for the pause menu. Menu controller. Oh goodness, my got to go. Bye bye. Good luck with Pikmin. I'm not making Pikmin. But bye, Ballboard. Nice having you here. Thank you for stopping by. All right, let's. This first part is gonna be easy because I can just copy and paste it from the first one, the stats. Like I think pause menu. I just need to do this portion. I could do all of that, just cause. Oh, bloop. Get rid of these. Get rid of this. Pause. 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 There we go. Save. And the pause menu should be good. Except I can't do escape. I need P. P for pause. And in all honesty, I probably should do Q for that one. And escape for this one. Alright, let's see this working. So we got Q, escape, and it's not working. False, escape, set active. Oh, you know what, guys, I didn't do? Do you guys remember me telling you that I keep forgetting to connect things? I didn't even put the script on the UI panel. Look at that. And it be working now. Alright. Now it's time to get these buttons working. Save and quit. Okay. So for this, we're gonna do. So I have the controller. Actually, I might as well just use put everything here. So for this one, I need. So public void quit. Actually, yeah, I might as well just do that here. Quit to menu. Quit to menu. We're gonna do debug dot log load main menu. All right. So with that, you're an excellent coder. Keep it up, amazing work. I think you're an amazing streamer. Thank you, Scott. I'm gonna do. I need the options menu as well. Public void open settings. And I'm probably just gonna do the same thing right here and just do load or open panel, open settings panel. Then what was the top one? Save. Well, okay. This public void call save and then debug dot. Oh, I forgot copied. Save the game. Now, I need to connect all the buttons to make sure that they work. To do that, I'm going to come right here to all of them, select them all, do that, and then the UI, I need to drag it in here, but at this point, I need to do each one separately because they each have a different function. So call save needs that. We're going to come down here to do open settings, and then the quit function. The quit function, I want to link to this scene, as I don't have one in here just yet. It is. Huh? Okay. Why like you're so grossed? Have fun with your shopping. Okay. Hey guys, I am going to take a small break. Christine's about to leave, and I want to say goodbye. So give me a little bit, and I will be back. Sorry about that. Alright, so looking at this. I left off. I need to keep working on this part. Okay, so for all of these, I need to do, rather than them saying button, I need them to say save game. Settings. And quit game. Awesome. Okay. So now I just need to make sure that these all work. Escape. Save the game. Save the game. Open settings panel and quit main menu. Awesome. So it's all connected. Everything's working here now. I went to some more tunes. I need to turn my tunes back on. Alright. I'm going to play until the end of this 30 song thing. Play. Code. I'm going to work on this actually, I guess. I don't want to work on it that long. I just realized this is, I thought it was 30 minutes. No, it's an 30 minutes. Okay, regardless though. I have this working. I have the stats menu working. What other menus did I need? I guess I need to do the interactable, honestly, because the interactable was not disappearing. Script. Where is the interactable? Features, interactables. Okay. So, interactables are over here. So I think alright, so we've got S item. I need to use the item, so let's go public void use item. It is a scriptable object, so I do have that I could do as well. Let me come over here to my scriptable objects, open up item, and let's see.
Why is everyone spiraling over YouTube banning ad blockers?
Oh my gosh.
Chill, guys. Just use Pi. It's a free Chrome extension.
That was mid-song. That was disrespectful, guys. Alright. For items. Interactable. Sorry, I'm trying to think of how I want to do this, because right now it's like, I guess destroy. First and foremost, the whole reason I started getting into this was the fact that the item was not disappearing. So we need to. Let's start with comments. What does it need to do? So to start, for use item, I need to actually get the item effect. Get item effect from, what am I looking at? The S item. And then apply whatever effect it is. Well, I feel like I should yeah, and then I think I'll disable the object. Disable / destroy. I don't know which one's going to be more effective in this case, because sometimes if I have a code that's on the object that's like needing to be enacted, then I will go ahead and destroy it, or sorry, disable it, but also destroying isn't bad because it frees up the space on the scene. So and the same thing that I want happening, sometimes I don't want happening, so it kind of is like a which one is going to work for this end. So I'm going to actually do both here. So we've got, we'll do game object, set active to false. Or destroy game object. So I got both functions here, or both lines right here will do that. Now I need to get the item effect. So we'll do item dot item effect. That's not item effect. It's a skill. It's a skill. Okay. So the item is going to utilize a skill. Hello, Spiky. Welcome back. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing with that just yet. So, actually, right here, I honestly should use... I'll wait. Item... I need a spot for it to spawn in, which is funny because XBC, he was doing the same thing where he was working on spawning things in, which is exactly what I'm about to do. Spawn skill, spawn effect. S underscore skill effect. Do you think AI will ever make learning to code less relevant? Okay, so AI in a sense will make things easier to didn't necessarily say that it would make learning code less relevant, because that's basically like, oh, one sec. So here's the thing. You need to account for the human factor. Like, yes, or first of all, a AI will never be creative. It won't do things that haven't already been done, because AI needs a model to learn from. So for people to utilize AI in coding, it can help, especially if you're trying to do like a small chunk. But if you don't know what it's telling you to do, then you could very easily be just like, you won't know how to fix it. Like, let's say you want things to do... Okay, example for this. A lot of the times games affect, or when buffs are affected, you have them applied to the character, and it's like typically a stat in the character. What I'm doing right here is I'm actually spawning in the, like, a little area of effect kind of thing, so that whoever's around you also gets the buff. Which I know there are some high level game, or there's some games that do something like that. It's just not you can't sit there and put that into AI if somebody hasn't already done it, because it won't know what to do. It won't know what you're trying to say. That's like, imagine if you took Gen Z slang and put it into like a high-level computer for that they've been running like simulations on for animals, right? It won't know what these words are. It's never encountered these words before, so it's gonna get really confused. So somebody who knows how to code is gonna have to go in and actually like fix it. Anyways, off of my soapbox. I don't like AI. I think that AI needs to be in a dark little corner by itself, because it honestly makes, while yes, it makes things easier, it also makes things more redundant. Oh yes, and I'm sure that that happens. But it's like, at least in the far future, yeah, I also am biased towards it because I've seen how it can mess up a lot of people's careers. So it's just AI, it has its places, but when it comes to the creativity point, you got to take into a factor of, or you have to take into account the human factor. Regardless, I'm gonna refocus on this because I don't typically deal with AI. I typically deal with UI. So there's a letter difference there, but it's like the difference between A's and F's in letter grades. So spawning effects. I plan to initialize. That is not what I was trying to do. Game. Hold up. I gotta remember how to initialize, create things from scratch. Instantiate. That's what I was trying to do. Instantiate. How do I start this? I guess new game object. Active effect is equal to I don't know how to spell it. Game object dot there it is. I just needed the game object in front of it. Effect. Did I do the right thing? There it is. That's what I needed. I was like, that's not what I remember. It's been a while since I did the instantiate. Transform the parents. Oh no! Discord. No, OBS. OBS, what are you doing? Guys, how's my stream look? I just reconnected. Are you guys still there? Everything all good? Send me emotes if you guys are okay and you're just wanting to lurk. I promise I won't acknowledge them. My ad is about to start. No, snooze the ad. You're still here. Okay, cool. That's weird. Sorry, I had a little scare there because OBS decided to be a little bit wonky. Alright. Getting into this though. Active effect. Interesting. I'm trying to figure out. I'm doing something wrong. New. I need to check the script API for instantiate. Search scripting. How do I spell that again? Instant E8. Because I don't know how to spell things properly. Okay. Let's look at this. Let's research this, guys. I need items over here. I need to pull this over this way. Let's bring this back. Alright. Alright, so I need... Okay, see, this is not creating... Okay. I have multiple declarations for this. And it looks like the more in-depth that I want to go... Popcorn dipped in chocolate. Ooh. It does sound good. I could just do this too. Since I'm trying to figure out this real fast. Expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second, this life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing, new focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption, just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, could try to play it, but you're never gonna be me. I want to create it as an object. I don't need to do all the extra stuff, that's what's going on. I just need to say, like, what I'm doing. So if I come over here. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase. I don't want a place. I want to be first. Work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. Maybe not. Honestly bad. Introducing the chalk dot. No. No. Spikey, I'm gonna have to ask that you not do that to me, please. That sounds disgusting. That really sounds absolutely disgusting, okay? Also, it didn't work. I thought I knew what I was looking at. I was wrong. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Okay, so alternatively, I'm just gonna do this a different way since I'm not entirely sure how this is gonna work. So, we're just gonna do game object, active effect, and we're going to instantiate effect dot. Wait. I don't have effect pulled up. I need to pull that up so I can see. Oh no, it was skill. Game object. I needed to make that public. Game object. Effect. And now I come back over here, and we're going to be doing effect dot effect, and that. Now from here, it's a hot dog, but instead of meat, it's chocolate roll of some sort. Then instead of ketchup, mustard, and stuff, it's Red stays the same. I don't know how I feel about your Choco Dog idea, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you. Alright, so right now I'm having this spawn something, okay? Show. I don't have any references to it. Where was I? I guess I come over here to character controller, and I actually need to. Wait, no, I have it set up on items. Items. Spawn effect. Huh? Where it is my skills? The skills turned into a mono. No, it's a scriptable object still. Wait, I don't think I have the thing. Yeah, cookbook skills. Ah, I'm looking for cookbook. Right here, skills. Magic. Uh-oh, what? Heal. Oh, we're naming it Hella. Same class name in serialized multiple times. He? That was the issue. So I actually need to come over here to these other ones too then. Sir, that is way too much sugar. That could not be healthy. Anyway, Hela heals. We're gonna name it heals, yes. And on that, I need to create le particle effect. Create a particle effect if I can find them. Visual effects. No, I just want a particle effect, guys. Is it too much to ask for just a regular old particle effect? Maybe I have to come over here and do it. Aha, there you are. Drag you over here. Item. Fake damage type kinetic. Yes. I just need to see it. Will it spawn? Alright, items. Wait, no, I need to come over to interactable. Now we connect them all. Item dot. Oh wait, no, we need to do spawn a. I guess I do need to do item dot spawn effect. item dot item effect. Just gonna do 0 just cause. Yeah, that's still a lot of sweets. Maybe if you did like specifically a sweet box, like marketed as like high sugar, diabetes in a box, then yeah, sure. I like my sweets like as much as I'm not the biggest sweets fan, honestly. Alright. Mamma mia. What's next? What's next? Yeah, that's what you're going for. I gotcha. You are definitely... That is a lot. That is a lot of sugar. Destroy game object. Well, actually, I think... Yeah. Let's just see how this works. Because now the object should disappear and something else should take its place. If I did this right.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow.
So the answer is no.
Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as
Oh,
friends.
might help if I...
Understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone.
Oh. I done goofed it. Because it's an item. Item effects is where I need to put that. Test. An eyeball. Cast speed. 0.5. I don't understand what all that is gonna be for, but it is what it is. They are not working. Uh,
I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold.
okay, so I got the simple inventory to work. Oh. Use item. That would be kind of cute. The little wine gummy idea that you have. Ayo. Alright, hold up. Where is these? Okay. So, okay, we've got it kind of working. Unfortunately, I need to set this up a little bit more. So we're gonna do transform of the parent being game object. Dot. Oh. Transform of parent. I guess I should just do get component then. No? I'm a little confused of what it's wanting. There we go. Okay, so transform dot I'm gonna try making a private game object right here, just so that I can equals. Oh, it's because it's a scriptable object. Okie dokie, that's the reason. So we need to set this up as active effect dot transform equals game object dot instance dot player. Wait, why did that just? Oh wait, I keep forgetting that it needs to be an underscore. Equals s underscore game controller dot instance dot player dot transform dot set. I guess I'll just do position position. Yeah. Okay, so basically what I did here was I create the object, and then because I'm having trouble figuring, because this is a scriptable object, I have to go through and I can't grab the main object because this isn't a mono behavior. That means that I have to find the instance of the player, and I'm just going to be doing it like that. So, and I know I think there'd be, I mean, if you could make it so that it's not so sweet, then yeah, I can see that working very well. Alright, let's see if this works. If the picking up wants to work. Oh, wow. Okay. So now I need a timer on it. So, apply effect. If I do, I'm doing spawn effect right here. Honestly, I think I should reopen skills and redo that. Edit le script. With that, I think I should have public float. I need a timer. Lasting timer, I guess. So, oh, actually, magic skills is not exactly what I had in mind to add that to. I was looking for just skills. I'm probably gonna need to come up here, and there it is. Let's add it here. And under interactable, we're gonna do item dot what is the item effect is what it's called. Okay. Item effect 0 dot lasting timer? Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a float equals 0, and then if actually I wanted to move this up top here. I need to add in a timer to destroy the skill, which means the skill needs to have timer in it. Public void despawn timer on lasting timer minus equal time dot time. Actually, I need time dot delta time. If actually if I need to do public, not even public. I need to do just a float float f plus equals this. And then what we're gonna do is f is greater than or equal to lasting timer Okay, so I need to call it and then do the F. Okay. Equals 0. Then destroy.
Wait, let me get my head straight. I need a drink of water. It's been days I've had a headache. Don't wanna wake up one day feel like I regret things.
Public
I want my story just to have a
bool
happy ending, and I don't
time
plan B, a
to
plan A's all I need.
destroy.
Took the ships from the sea and burnt them all, no retreat. It's kill or get eaten,
Time.
get buried with the seeds, but that makes me feel free. Hella focused
Oh.
on my dreams. I got habits, they're established. I'm doing things a bit manic, but I can handle it.
I have messages that I've missed.
Win and lose, make it back. You can choose your own path. Nothing good comes fast. Nothing fast ever lasts. So I'll be patient but attack every day like it's my last. Push the pedal to the gas. Burn the
Alright,
fuel
so I have a
that
question. Do you want to know how to breed the mythical sugar bush now? Or once you guys get the first... When we get the first ethereal, honestly. I think that'll... I'm not gonna remember. Honestly, I'm not gonna remember it all. Time to destroy equals true. Now put that in here.
I feel unstoppable, ain't responsible to try to make all the impossible go flip to probable. This life is not something that's optional. It's got its obstacles, but it's a gift. So don't miss out on your chance to be phenomenal. Push all the chips in. I take risks cause risky wins. I take hits straight to the chin, then get right back up again. I don't lose, I always win, cause any loss is a lesson. I got a different engine. Wanna go, I'll go again. I'm on the chase while they running. Call the plays that are coming. Turn a profit out of nothing like a
There we go.
taking shots, I'm always gunning. When I gamble,
No, you're good. You're good, Spiky. We're just doing a lot of things at once right now.
killers I can make 7 figures, 8 figures, 9 figures, pay for any fucking dinner, paint a picture, life richer, good people, good liquor, life bigger, fight winner. I just wanna get there quicker.
So, time to destroy equals true.
There's no retreat, burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back. Forget the past out of desperation. All the people born you can lose. There's no retreat, but believe you got it in you. You can do anything.
Honestly, this despawn timer is not gonna stay here. Move. I might as well just do it now. As one of the last things that I plan to do is going to be kind of moving this around a bit. Swear, if you guys don't stop being psychotic, I'm going to put you in the bathroom. S_despawn. Despawn. Thank you. That's depth spawn. Thank you. Despawn. And
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time.
alright, so doing this though.
I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Don't need that. Steal that. Boom. Destroy. Game object. And I'll play some Jamboree now, but I'll stay in stream. That's fine, bro. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna keep going on this. I am getting close to my stopping point. I've also got Wilson going in the side, so just kind of coding, watching him, talking to you guys, and listening to music. Alright, so start. Well, honestly, this is done, so I can complete that. Skill. It's gonna spawn, and then active effect dot get component s underscore despawn dot lasting timer equals timer. I'll do timer death. There we go. So now I don't have to go all the way over there to set that. And actually, I think I'll want to put down an if statement so that I don't accidentally override it if it's too low. So if timer death is less than this, then we do that. I didn't like that error that just popped up. Time to guess the code. Yeah! Yeah! Time to guess the code. Alrighty. Let's look at this. I need to do what now? Oh yeah, I need to throw this onto this. Okay. I don't have compiling errors, do I? Hey, maybe... Item effect, I'll do 0 dot spawn effect. Also don't need this if there's only one effect being used. We're just gonna do effect. Okay, so item effect, spawn effect. So item dot item effect what is going on with this? Why is this not wanting to work? Dot spawn effect. It really just made me do the entire thing over again. What is going on here?
Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up. It's time
I go here.
Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
I'm very confused as to what's going on. Coin minigames are kind of annoying, honestly. All right, let me. Lasting timer. 1 item. Actually, so wait, if I did that, what about that? Is that gonna work? No. Ah. I think I understand what just happened. It's crashing because not all of them have the same things. So let me just comment this out then. No. It's still saying that exact same thing. Oh. Huh. I messed that up.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps I take from my bed to the floor. 5, 6, 7.
Hey yo.
Will today be rough or will today be great? 9, 10, 11, 12. Lately I've been going through hell.
Okay, but
14, 15, 16. Today's the day. Are you coming? Are you sick of being normal? I'm sick of being
override, apply.
I'm about to be a savage. I see a lot of things that I want, I will have them. I got a new mindset that I just established. I'll march through the cold with the nails on the pavement. I'll shovel
Something's wrong here. Update.
my story will be told, helping others make changes.
That didn't work.
So bold they will watch in amazement. Am I gonna face it? Am I gonna chase it? Am I gonna start over? I keep waiting. Time is limited, quickly fading.
I'll just have that there just cause I'm not entirely sure what's going on with that. Alright. That still didn't work, so do I'm a little confused because it's supposed to despawn and it's not despawning at all. Alright, let's do this. Debug dot. What are you doing? Debug dot log f. Let's see what this does. Interesting. It's interesting that it is it's also not repeating any of the numbers. That's interesting. So what's going on with this? Hey. Because I'm setting it to 0, adding something. Let's see. So I can't do it this way. I'm gonna just have to do float f. Do that there. And I think that should solve the problem. It did not solve the problem. Okay, so this is supposed to just be debugging f. So delta time. And it's literally not supposed to be doing anything else. So what is, there shouldn't be anything setting f. There's nothing that's supposed to be doing anything there. So why is it not wanting to hit 1? Alright, alright. I think this is getting... Oops. Let me pull this back up. Don't switch. Edit my message. Okay, so on top of the level up stuff, I did pause menu, UI, and started working on buffs / skills. Alright, honestly, I think that I need to get rid of all this stuff. I have too much going on right now, and I need to like kind of whittle it down a little bit more. So honestly, don't need damage types right now. Classes, also not needed. Items, I'm gonna keep items and I'm gonna keep skills. But I'm gonna throw that at skills. Don't need damage types. And I know I'm gonna have to go through and fix these errors that are about to pop up. Honestly, I think that I just need to kind of whittle it down to the bare bones. Don't worry about passive or martial skills. Just, it's a skill. Weapon versus armor. Yes, I will keep that there. Well, wait, I got rid of the equipment already, so I do need to just get rid of this. So I just need items and skills. Alrighty. Let's clear this. Character controller, start. That's not the character controller, but I do see do damage. Public damage type. We're gonna get rid of that. And boom. See, I wasn't even using it. And oh, because character is over here. And I'm not even using that either. Cool. They were both only used in 2 places, and I wasn't even actually using them. So before anything else, ad break. Hey? What's going on with the stats? I literally just did that. Or I guess it's effects, huh? So wait, what's going on between... Oh, okay, so that's why it stopped working. Because I need to create a item. Okay, so I just need a fireball. So I just gotta reset all of these, I guess. What just happened there? Huh? Alright, fireball's getting deleted, that's for sure. I don't know what happened there. Alright, particle system. Right, effect is gonna be the particle system. What? I need to make this into a empty parent. Test effect. Why is that still not? Boom. Ah, ha. So, what's missing now? I'm just not, things aren't set properly, it seems. Ah, yes, okay. I now need to make the item. There we go. And the timer went off, awesome. But it's still not working. Oops. That's really weird. What? Wait, where is that? What line? 37. Reference is not set. so what about this? Test item. Oh my gosh. Okay. Better? Are we going to cooperate now? Ahaha! There we go, guys. We got the particle effects working. Alright then. I think that I'm gonna go ahead and stop this here. Sacrifice myself and the bullet thingy makes you lose 5 coins. Wow, that's yeah, it be like that sometimes, you know? But anyways, guys, thank you Spiky for chatting with me. I got done. Let's look at this again. Let's look at what I did. So my initial goal today was supposed to just be UI. I really didn't think I was going to get much more done, but I did. So I got done the stats, level up, the main menu, or sorry, the pause menu, and the started working on the buffs. So, all right, guys. With that in mind, I am going to go raid Wilson. So everybody on Twitch, I hope everybody has a great day, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here. I hope y'all all have a great day. I gotta find my button. Hold up. There it is. See y'all next time.